channel. I am sharing for new topic video motorcycle accident lawyer. Personal injuries motorcycle accident lawyer. Our motorcycle accident lawyer get result when a motorcycle is hit by a car, truck or another large vehicles. The result can be catastrophic with little protection from the impact. The motorcycle rider may suffer life-threatening injuries that takes months or years to heal. Aftermath of a motorcycle accident can be a harrowing time physically and financially. As the injured victim, you have after a month you have the rights to seek compensation to get full compensation for your injuries. You will need an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer on your side. You, your choice your choice of law firm matter. The motorcycle accident lawyer at Munley Law Personal Injuries Attorney have more than 16 years of experience representing injuries victims. Our award-winning personal injuries auto attorneys have recovered large settlement and verdict for injuries. Motorcycle list we have constantly been recognized as a best lawyer in America and are hold certificate by the National Board of Trail Advancedly. Most importantly, we get result. Fill out our contact from all. How much does it cost to hire a motorcycle accident lawyer? Our motorcycle accident lawyer attorneys work on a contingency fee basic. This means that you do not pay a fee unless we win your case. If our lawyer is unable to successfully resolve your cases, you will not owe a fee of our service. Furthermore, you will get our service. Furthermore, you will not pay anything up front or out of own pocket. This way, the cost will not stand in the way of our access to the best possible legal representation. It will give you the opportunity to not worry about how to pay legal fees. In addition, our medical bills, repair costs, and other expenses you are dealing with because of the motorcycle accident. Once the case is settled or reach a verdict, our fees will be deducted from our recovery. The initial consolation is absolutely free, so you risk nothing by speaking with our motorcycle accident lawyer about your case. What does a motorcycle accident lawyer do? A motorcycle accident lawyer is a personal motorcycle accident lawyer is lawyer that can help you file a lowest recover losses following motorcycle crash, such as current and future medical bills, rehabilitation and physical therapy, lost wages or lost earning, specificity, pin and surfing, mental and emotional anguish, thread, quality of life, and the worst cases, a motorcycle accident lawyer can help victims' families, pressure, wrongful death, claims, accident at fault driven. Here is how a motorcycle accident lawyer can help with your claim. Investigation investigate investigate the motorcycle accident. After any type of accident, a thorough investigation is needed to find can be held flute for the accident, choosing expert witness, accident reconstruction and private investigators. We will discover who was responsible. So your motorcycle accident claim is well supported. Negotiate with the insurance company. Once we determine how much your motorcycle accident cases may be worth, we will begin the navigation process with the insurance company. Sometimes the negotiation can be settled within a few weeks or months. Other time it may take longer. Responsibility if the case is complicated and you have suffered catastrophic injuries. Motorcycle insurance requirement vary by state. In most, the maximum coverage is 25,000 USD. Bodily injured by person 50,000 USD per accident and 10,000 USD in property damage. Needle to say the maximum coverage your for your injuries is unlikely to cover the cost of your medical treatment if you suffered any common motorcycle accident injuries such as traumatic brain injury, spinal cord injury, broken bones, road crash, rush, and even death. Represent your claim in court. Sometime a settlement agreement cannot be reached outside the courtroom if has happened then our experienced motorcycle accident attorney are prepared to take your cases to trial. Negotiations will continue until the trial has begun. While many person injury lawyers prefer to still out of court mainly law person injury attorney is always ready to take your cases to trial if that what it takes to get justice for you. Why should I hire a motorcycle accident lawyer? By their very nature, motorcycle accident frequently result in serious injury, which will often result in a complex personal injury claim that difficult to handle on your own. Such injuries often come with costly medical bills, loss of income, or inability to work, and physical as well as physiological pain and suffering. While the insurance company may take a supplement offer, their offer is unlikely to cover all of your losses. People with legal representation typically recover for your greater compensation than those who do not. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 500 500 579 motorcycle list lists in the United States are involved in a fatal traffic accident in 2020. Thanks to the size and weight of other vehicles on the road, motorcycle list face a greater risk of serious injury and death. In fact, they are 29 times more likely to die in a motorcycle vehicle crash and 4 times more likely to be injured than a car driver or passenger. Typically, the insurance company settlement offer will only include expenses expenses offer will only include that an injury victims has currently and may not account for future expensive or pen and surfing. How much is a motorcycle accident case worth? Every case is different and compensation will depend upon a number of factors, so you should be skeptical of any lawyer who promises a traffic settlement amount too early in the process. An experienced motorcycle lawyer at Munley Law personal injury attorneys will know who to thoroughly investigate your claim and may demand based on the maximum amount you are owed. From that point forward, your motorcycle accident lawyer will keep you appraised of the negotiation process and will not accept an offer of settlement with our consent. That being said, the amount of money you receive for your cases will depend upon the extent of your injuries, the cost of your hospital stays, sojourn, and any future or ongoing medical treatment. It will depend also on how much time you are forced to miss the work and or how the accident affect your ability to work in the future. Your compensation will also reflect the amount of pain and suffering you endured and will continue to endure as a result of the crash. The amount of compensation you receive will also be affected by the available insurance coverage. Who do I know I have a cases? The, the determine if you have a motorcycle accident case, your first step is to contact personal injury lawyer at Munley Law personal injury attorneys. We will listen to your story, examine the information, then explain what legal options are available to you. The consultation is free of charge, even if are insured. Whether you have a cases, there is no harm in meeting with a lawyer to find out. In fact, a consolation when a motorcycle accident attorney can arm you with the information you need to protect your rights and make educated discussion about your injury claim. Frequently asked question: who can be held responsible for my motorcycle accident? All thought the at float party is usually either the driver of the motorcyclist. There are times when a third party is responsible for the accident. To prove a case for negligence to your motorcycle accident lawyer will need to show the following: duty: the at fault party had an obligation to prevent harm to the injured motorcyclist. Breach: the at fault party breached the duty of car and caused harm. Causation: the breach of duty result in injuries. Damage refer any expensive you have following the motorcycle accident. This include medical bill, lost wig, property damage and lost wig. Damage also include non-economic losses such a pen and surfing and loss of company compensation of a involved one. What are the common cases of motorcycle accident? There are several cases of motorcycle accident, but the most common cases of motorcycle accident are a result of human error, negligence of on behalf of the other driver on the road can result in a catastrophic injury for the motorcyclist. Some common cases include distress driving, distracted driving, include any activity that plus pulls the driver pulls the driver attention away from the task. While food and technology are the number one sources of distraction, other distraction might include a bullet in navigation or information system, other passengers in the car eating or drinking behind the wheel, and even handle free phone calls or teach aggressive driving according to the hosting. Driving which includes speeding, tailgating or quitting of another driver is defined as when a driver commits a series of traffic offenses that harm another include left hand turn,